Every story has a beginning, a vision, a belief that an industry could be better. But a vision is just a dream until people put their boots on the ground. That's where Groundworks began. Not with a building, not with a blueprint, with people. Because great companies don't happen by chance. They're built by hand, by people who come together for one mission. This is the foundation of our first decade, and it will always be the key to our future. When we look back at our first decade, rather than numbers, we see faces. Faces of every individual who believed. It was our people who rose up to every challenge. At the beginning, we got kicked out from our suppliers. We didn't have any products or software to sell. That could have been the end of any company. But our people who came together, they built new products, new programs. And because they showed up, we survived. Now we manufacture the best products in the industry and have the most advanced software in our space. But it all started with people. We weren't always this big, but we had this big dream to build a national foundation repair company. Our competitors said we were crazy. They tried to damage our reputation, trying to scare people away. But because people believed in our mission, we were able to grow. In our first 10 years, we were able to partner with 42 companies and become the first international foundation repair and water management company, going from 33 million to 1.5 billion in just 10 years, because our people believed. As we grew, we partnered with 2 global investment firms, Cortec and KKR, who empowered us to stay true to what got us here, our people. So we made every employee an owner.
We are going to change home services forever, where we recognize that men and women that do the work are owners.
Now we have over 7,500 employee owners across the nation and have already paid out more than $30 million in our first ownership dividend. Behind every milestone and every success, the foundation that held everything together was our people. So we dedicate our first decade to you, to the ones who believed, the ones who joined our mission, and the ones who worked hard to make Groundworks the fastest growing home services company in America. We celebrate our first 10 years, but more than that, we celebrate you, our people. Now, looking forward, that's when it gets exciting. Because the biggest part of our future is still our people. Over the next 5 years, we're committed to adding 5,000 new skilled trade careers. Not just jobs, careers. More than 1,000 new leaders stepping up to build what's next. That's why we've built our Trained and Certified program, to make sure every team member becomes an expert in their craft. Because growth doesn't happen without people, and it doesn't happen without leadership. As we look at our next 10 years, our mission doesn't change. We will keep growing until we reach every state, and we will keep serving until every home can be protected by Groundworks. Our vision and our people have brought us this far, but we're not done. We're building an even greater future together.